Hello, Philippines! Hello, Universe! Char. So ayan, bardagulan na ngayon guys dahil idedemanda daw ng dating president ng Miss Universe na si Miss Paula Sugar, si Miss Anne, Jack Apong, Jack Radiotatip, ang bagong owner ng Miss Universe organization. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Dahil ang mimosang daw na Miss Anne ay chinichika o chinichismis ng di umano na si Miss Paula Sugar ay isang matinggera, char. Isa daw po itong kurap. Ayun, isa rin siyang kurap at siyempre nagpapabayad daw po, especially ngayon din ay nasasangkot ang ating mga Miss Universe title holder na si Miss Pia Wurzbach at si Miss Catriona Gray dahil binili lang daw nito ang kanilang mga corona para manalo. Yan ay napag-alaman mismo ni Miss Paula Sugar, kaya ito ang kanyang sinabi sa kanyang account.
Since announcing my resignation in November of 23, I have sought to stay out of the spotlight, electing not to comment on any of the changes within the Miss Universe organization, seeking only to quietly help the brand and its stakeholder when requested with my historical knowledge and guidance. However, recent false and outrageous comments made by Miss Universe owner and declarative impugning my character have compelled me to break my silence. Normally, I would choose to ignore such assertions, but my suggesting that I am corrupt and took money under the table, the replacement in Miss Universe competition, Jacra Duterte not only defames me, but she also discredits the women who have won the Miss Universe crown by implying their titles were bought and not earned by Mary. I cannot abide by such dangerous and reckless assertions, which degrade the Miss Universe brand and its title holders. I am presently considering my legal options in Thailand and what actions I might take. However, given that my complaint will be just one of many legal actions currently facing the owner of JKN, it is imperative for the Miss Universe brand and its legacy that I immediately speak the truth and condemn these words before taking any action in Thai courts, and I am reserving all rights to claim for damages. I have no intention or need to engage in drama on social media, and I will not do so. Anyone who knows me knows the truth and what I stand for. I will let my years of work with some truly incredible women speak for itself.
At syempre ayan, bardagulan na, nakisawsaw na ang dapat makisawsaw. Well, anyway, sa ganito kasing case, dapat talaga makikisawsaw ka dahil may social responsibility ka, di ba? Especially dapat malaman ng buong sansinukob o malaman ng buong sangkatauhan kung anong totoong nangyayari, di ba? Bukod doon, si Lupita Jones, yes, isa lang naman siya sa kauna-unahang Miss Universe na nanalo ng Miss Universe Mexico. Yes, at siya po ay isang national director ng Miss Universe Mexico simula po noong 1994 hanggang 2023. And then noong 2023, yes, matatapos na yon, nang pumasok ito si Miss Anne, niligwak siya kasi ang gusto ni Miss Anne, magbago ng mga tauhan ng director. So, kaya nagkakagulo po ngayon dahil hindi ko rin alam, medyo parang there's something with Miss Ano. At 'di ba ang daming eksena at ang daming isyung nangyari pati sa Miss Universe natin na si Miss MMD, 'di ba? Dapat pasok sa top 5 tapos biglang binago nila, 'di ba? Halatang may anomalyang ginagawa ito si Miss Anne pero playing safe siya. Knowing naman sa credibility ni Miss Paula Sugart, I'm for Paula Sugart at syempre si Miss Lupita Jones, ito rin yung sinabi niya. Doon pa lang, you are a lady, kinabog na ang Okama desk. Well, anyways, diyan sana maayos naman po 'yan, ayan. At yung mga talagang involved sa ganyan, pagtulungan niyo po para maayos 'yan. Kasi siyempre dream naman talaga 'yan ng mga kababaihan talaga, 'di ba? At isa 'yan sa nag-e-empower ng buong kababaihan sa buong mundo. So sana maging patas lahat ng laban, 'di ba? Pati tayo nadadamay, nadaya na nga tayo, 'di ba? Siyempre po, pa-follow, pa-like, and pa-subscribe po sa aking channel, sa YouTube, sa Facebook at Instagram. Same lang po ng mga pangalan, Jomar Moralia TV. Ayan, magandang hapon po at good afternoon sa inyong lahat.